Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by safeguarding your world. Copy your saves folder to a safe location so nothing is lost. Once done, close Minecraft and quit any mod managers. Conflicts can block an update. Next, open the official Minecraft launcher. This is the only safe entry point for a clean update. Make sure you are signed in and on the default launcher view because the launcher will check for and download the latest client files automatically without deleting your existing installation. Now perform the actual update. In Installations, select the latest release or create a new profile pointed at the same game directory. If files seem corrupted or stuck, remove the problematic version files in the launcher and let it re-download them. This forces an update without touching saves. Make sure the game directory remains the same so worlds and resource packs stay available. While the launcher downloads, do not run the game. Let it finish to avoid partial installs and file conflicts. Finish by launching the updated client and confirming your worlds and settings are present. If the game crashes or behaves oddly, make sure to test with a clean profile or the default installation first. Incompatible mods are the most common culprit. Once you identify the problem, remove or update the offending mod, then relaunch. If something still fails, restore the saves from your backup and repeat the launcher's forced re-download. That will repair the client without ever deleting your.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.